Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I went out today to Sam's. I got me some paper towels and I got the bath tissue. Y'all, the bath tissue look like it's half the width that it's been. So I gotta check that out because if they're gonna be skimping, I'm gonna have to switch to something else. I normally get wheat bread, but this time I got bunny bread because I ended up forgetting to get it from Sam's. I got my son some ham. This is the 2 pounds of the ham. And I also got the turkey so he can switch it up. And I'm going to also be taking it to lunch. For lunch. I got the swirls. And I got spaghetti. You buy 5. They'll be $1. I love the Kroger croutons. I got some of them. At Sam's, I got the secret deodorant. I'm switching up. I'm trying to powder fresh this time. I was watching Helen H. in her garden, and she uses the Irish Spring. She cut it up and put it in. You don't see any bugs, and her vegetables are so pretty. So I said I was going to try that. I got Country Time lemonade. I got 3 of those, and I got the raspberry lemonade. I know y'all know I put it in my Pure Leaf tea. I got me a can of the green beans because I got those red potatoes left. I'm going to use those up. I got celery and green onion. This is to make some chicken salad for lunch next week. I got me some, y'all, I ended up forgetting to get the chips from Sam's and ended up paying $4.50 for these at the dollar store, Dollar General. I got my green beans, like I said, I'm gonna do that. And then y'all, Kroger right now, okay, I got lemon. I gotta get the angle of this camera right. Kroger right now have the Cosmic apples, 99 cents. They're small though. For the first time ever, I paid $1 and something for Cosmic apples, though. I'm normally I paid as much as $8 for 5 apples. These also are on that buy 5, so I got 3 of the original barbecue, or did I get 4? And I got this to try it. It's the Thousand Island dressing from Smartway brands. I said I would try it. It's just 99 cents this week. And that's really all I got, y'all. Not very much. Welcome on my new subscribers. It's all over here. Love over here. Y'all be blessed. Much love. Bye.
I feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel it.